Okay, good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number 26. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. If you have to follow the lines in this picture, let's make sure the picture is on camera. If you have to follow the lines in the picture,
It's on camera.
and can only go up or right. So up, you can only go up or right. Every time you come to an intersection, you can only go up or right.
Yeah.
Okay. How many ways are there to get from A to B? So you start down here, and you're trying to count all the different ways that you can go from here to here. So this is actually a pretty tricky problem.
I see one way.
Right.
There's a lot of ways.
There's a lot of ways. We're going to try to count all the different ways. So what do you think you should do on a problem like this that's really, really complicated?
I'm going to start like counting when A goes one specific way.
Okay, let's
like when A starts going up.
Okay, so how many ways are there to go from here to here?
There's one way.
One way. Okay. What's another really easy one to count?
Here to here.
Here to here. How many ways are there to
One.
go from there to there? One. Okay, great. Now, how many ways? Which dot do you want to check next?
Can I show some points for intersections?
Sure. Just step out of the way of the camera.
Outside, yeah.
Okay.
There's some intersections actually.
Okay. Which dot do you want to check next? Okay. How many ways are there to get there?
2.
Okay. How come?
Because this one can come there, or this one can come there.
Okay, that's interesting. There's 2 ways to come here. There's 2 ways to come there. Okay. So, what dot do you want to check next?
From here.
No, you don't have to go from there. We're going to have to check a lot of different dots. So, what's an easy one to check? What's an easy one to check?
We checked this one.
Yeah. We gotta find. There's a couple more easy ones. There's some really easy ones you haven't done yet.
Well, there's only 3 more.
I think there's some more.
No, here's.
Well.
Oh.
Okay. What's an easy place to check? We've already checked there. No, even easier. Even easier.
Here?
No. Super easy. Super easy.
It's not here.
How about to get here? How many ways are there to get there? Here, so I gotta switch sides with you here. Go over here. Go over
Okay.
here. You keep blocking the camera.
Oh.
Okay. So how many ways are there to get here?
Okay.
Starting from here. How many ways are there to get here?
I found one way.
Okay. Are you allowed to go down?
No.
Okay. So how many ways are there to get there?
1.
1. Okay. Great. 1. We'll put a 1 there. Okay. So which place do you want to check next?
Here.
Here. Okay. How many ways are there to get there?
There's one way I found.
Just 1. Okay. Why is there only one way to get there?
Because you can't go down.
Because you can't go down. Okay. What's another easy place to check? That's not super easy because you gotta. Okay. What's another really easy place to check? Here. That's easy. Okay. How many different ways are there to get there?
That's 1.
1. 2.
2. No, you go that way. It's not gonna
You
work.
can't go backwards.
I did that way.
1. That's 1. That's 2.
Can you go anymore?
Yeah, there's one more. See if you can find it. That's 3, right. So there's 3 ways to get here. Okay, and we can figure that out by saying there's 2 ways to get here and 1 way to get here. So the only way to get here is by coming from here or coming from here.
Yeah.
Right? So you just take however many ways there were to get there and however many ways to get there and then add them together.
Yeah.
Okay? Now we got to try to figure out how to get here. But we got to where can you come from if you're getting to there?
Only here.
Only there? Are you
Or
sure?
there.
How would you come from there?
Oh no, you can't go left. I keep
Okay.
forgetting.
Where are the places you can come from to get to here?
You can come from here.
Yeah? And there. Okay, how many ways are there to get here?
One way.
1 way.
So 2 plus 1, this then makes 3.
3. Okay, how many ways are there to get up here?
You have to come from here or come from here. Okay, no, you can't go left. Ugh!
Erg! Okay, so how many ways are there to get there? One. Okay, how many ways are there to get here?
4. Because you had to come from here or there.
Okay, so there's 4 ways to get there. Okay.
No, that one.
Well, which one should we do next?
Okay, this one.
That one. How many ways are there to get there?
6, because you got
6.
those two together.
Interesting. 6. How many ways are there to get there?
10.
10. Now, we forgot about this one. How many ways are there to get there?
4.
How do you know that?
Because 3 plus 1.
Ah, okay. How many ways are there to get there?
10.
10. So how many ways are there to get there?
Oh, I got all of these together.
What do you got to add together to get to B?
All the numbers, maybe? No.
Well, let's see. How do you figure out how many ways there are to get to B?
Well, there's 2.
How do you get to B? How do you get to B?
There are a lot of different ways.
There are a lot of different ways, but that's what we're trying to figure out. How many different ways are there to get to B? What do you think?
I don't think we add all of these together.
Now, I don't think you would add all of them together. But what would you do? How do you get to B? Where do you have to come from?
10 or 10.
Okay, you either have to come from here, and there's 10 ways to get there, and there's 10 ways to get there. So how many ways are there to get to B? 20. How about that? So there's 20 different paths. So like here's one. It goes ying, 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 ying.
And
Or
here's
this
another.
one. Yeah, and here's another one. This is pretty neat.
Well,
Yeah.
well,
But it'd be hard to count them all out by drawing them because you never know if you would miss one or not.
yeah, you could.
But when you do the little steps, it turns out to be really easy because everything adds together. So we found 20 ways to get there. Okay, good job. You ready for the next problem?
Yep.
$1 is changed into 36 coins using only nickels, 5 cents, and pennies, 1 cent. How many of each kind were used? Okay. Do you have some ideas on this
We
problem?
can make a chart.
Okay, you could make a chart. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Okay.
We to make a chart like doing something like 1 nickel and 35 pennies, 2 nickels and 34 pennies.
Okay, well see if you do that and see if you can see a pattern. See if you're getting close or maybe you'll skip ahead a little bit. Okay?
Well, how do I just keep forgetting how to write charts.
Oh, you keep forgetting how to write charts. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we could make a chart like this. Number of 5 cent, number of 1 cent, and then total money. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So
where do you want to start?
let's do 1 5 cent.
Okay, 1 5 cent.
And then that would mean.
Okay, don't block the camera, please. 1 5 cent.
And then that would mean 35 1 cent.
Okay, 35 1 cent. So how much money is that?
40 cents.
40 cents. So are you at $1?
No.
Okay. So are you close to $1?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. So what do you maybe you shouldn't try 2 next if you're not close yet. Maybe try something larger.
Like 3 or something? Maybe 4.
Try whatever you want actually. 4. Okay.
I mean, you have to do 32.
Okay. What does that equal?
It's going to be 32 plus 20. It's going to be 52. Getting closer.
What was 32 plus 20? 52. Okay.
Yeah.
52. Write that out. Okay. All right.
You're getting closer.
You are getting closer, but are you close?
No, let's.
Okay. So what do you want to try next?
8.
8.
It's okay?
Well, you can try whatever you want, but how much did you go up by when you went from 1 to 4? How much money did you go up by?
I went up by 12
Okay.
cents.
Okay.
Well, you can do every 3 you go up 12.
Maybe every 3 you go up 12.
Well, let's try 8. No, 4 plus 3 is not. Let's try 7.
Okay, let's try 7. What the heck? Let's try 7.
So it's 7, that would mean 29.
Okay.
Well, 7 times 5 is 35. So it's gonna be 35 plus 29. 64.
Okay.
You seem to be going up by 12.
Every time you go up 3, you go up 12. Okay. So
that means when you have 10, it's gonna be 76.
Okay.
And when you have 13, it's gonna be 88.
88. Okay.
And then 16, it's gonna be 100.
Okay. So why don't you try 16 and see if it works? So 16, how many pennies do you use?
20.
Okay. Great. So we got to figure out how much. What's 16 times 5? Interesting.
Well, 10 times 5 is 50 and 30. So
Okay.
that's 80.
Okay. 16 times 5 is 80.
80 plus 20. That's 100.
How about that? Okay. There we go. All right. So how many of each were used?
Okay. So 16 nickels and 20 pennies.
How about that? Okay. Good job.
How about homeworks?
Homework is Olympiad 12. I think you guys did Olympiad 13 home problems today based on what was on the board when I got home. So it's Olympiad 12, problem number 3 and problem number 4.
Oh.
Okay. Good? Good job today? Is that fun?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.